Right, what's going on everyone? It's ILLICIT LA. This is my submission for the best custom bike. This is my S2 with the Sissy Bar here. Everything was painted recently with this metallic blue. Got a custom Springer seat here. Dual battery, Irvlabs Basket. MAGURA brakes with 223mm rotors on each. 12-inch Rise handlebars with a 2-inch rise in between from rock shocks. Ten-speed kit installed. White walls from V-Tire. Carhartt tool roll. Rear view camera. Yeah, that's it. Be back in LA this month. Back to riding.